Hello. In this video, I would like to talk about how to install EON-XR application on your Android device, either as a phone or a tablet. For that, of course, one of the information I want to provide is the fact that on the EON's Reality website, you can find in the EON-XR section an area to download it or link it to the different stores, including a Google Play Store and for other mobile devices. So this is my smartphone. The way I will go is to find a Play Store, and in Play Store this is the area where we can get multiple different apps. We're searching for the words EON-XR, and what you can find currently is the two applications, EON-XR and EON-XR Classic. This is an existing current version, and this is a previous version with some functionalities that still has some valid use among the users. And to install it, we're choosing it, and if it's compatible with our device, we press install. Installation process, downloading the app, and verify that, and eventually make it available for us to open on our mobile device. While we're opening for the first time, we will be asked to allow some of the permissions that are necessary to have a full functionality, like audio recording to access to our microphone, and also access to our photo media files on the device. So choosing that as well. And after that, on our phones, we will have EON-XR installed, already access to the library, ability to sign into the application and explore various types of the educational resources that are available in the EON-XR platform. Thank you very much for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.